Now, the purlins will be placed here. That's why we need to create a plane so we can draw our sketch, then place the purlin. If you select reference geometry, then a plane, you can set a plane that is tangent to this pipe and tangent to this pipe. That's why select this pipe, and this will be automatically detected tangent. Then select this pipe, and here we have another tangent, and the plane is created. Hit OK, and let's start a sketch on the new plane. Now I will hide this plane and select Align, and let's start somewhere here, and let's end it somewhere here. Now pick a center line, snap to the midpoint, and then connect this line with this one. Finish the command, select this line, then make vertical. And here, it's already coincident with this line. So we need to set an offset value, and this should be, let's say, 100 millimeters. Then finish the sketch, and I'll go to weldments, structural member. This time I will go to customized. For the type, flat bars, and here I have the name of Purlin 160 by 3. Then select this line, and here we have the purlin placed. Go all the way down and select Locate Profile, and here I need to select this corner. Now this line is tangent to this pipe, which is correct, then hit OK. Now we need to pattern this purlin. To do so, we need to set a reference here. Now I have 100 millimeters offset between this face and the purlin, and I need the same offset to be on the other side here. That's why let's go back to this sketch and edit it. Then pick a point and place it over this line. Then select Smart Dimension and set a dimension between this point and this edge, and hit equal. Then zoom out and select this 100. Now whenever you modify this 100, this one will be modified too, and this way you will keep the symmetry of this pattern. Now finish the sketch and go to Features and select Linear Pattern. For the direction of the pattern, zoom in and select this line. Now we need to pattern this up to a reference. So the reference in this case will be this point we created here. Now go down, and for the bodies, let's select this purlin. And now instead of a spacing, we need to define a number of instances. It should be 6. And finally, you have this option, which is centroid, and we have selected reference. We will go with selected reference. So now for selected reference, you need to go to the original purlin and select this face. What will happen now is that SolidWorks will take this purlin up to this point, and the reference of the purlin will be this face, which means this face will meet this point here. And that's how you can keep the 100 millimeter offset we have here. Let's have an overview. So now we don't have any interference with this pipe, then it's okay. The number of instances is 6, and we kept the 100 offset here, and we kept another 100 offset here, then hit OK. So that's it for creating the simplified model. In the next video, we will run the finite element analysis, and we will see if we have selected the right sections. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.